Hey, looks like we're gonna be lab partners this semester. I'm Emma.
Hi, I'm Trevor. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You don't look very familiar to me. Are you new to this school?
I am. My family and I just moved here last month.
Where did you live before?
We lived in Mason Heights.
Did you live in Mason Heights your whole life? Or were you born somewhere else?
I was born in Mason Heights and lived there until now.
When were you born?
I was born on December 14th, 2007. It was a Friday at 6 o'clock in the morning. I guess I'm an early riser.
Friday is my favorite day of the week. It's the closest to the weekend, and we have less lessons than usual.
Yeah, it's my favorite day of the week too. What about you? When were you born?
I was born on May 25th, 2007.
We're the same age. Were you born here in Jeffersonville?
No, I was born in Greece and moved here when I was 5 years old. My dad got a green card and got a job here.
Wow, that's nice. So, do you go back there very often?
Yes, my family and I spend our summer vacations in Greece every 2 years. So it certainly feels like my second home. It's where my roots are.
Can you speak Greek?
Yes, I can speak Greek fluently.
That's awesome. So, do you like living here?
Yes, I love it. And I love this school too. I feel so comfortable here because the teachers are really nice and helpful. I joined a lot of clubs when I came here, and I have a lot of friends.
What sports facilities are there in this school?
We have a gym and a stadium. We are also lucky to have a swimming pool in our school.
Wow, that's great to hear. I've been thinking of joining a sports club to try to meet more people.
That's a great idea. We have so many clubs for all kinds of sports and hobbies. What do you like to do?
I love athletics. That's my favorite thing. I also like swimming a lot. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science because I like doing experiments.
What subject do you find the most difficult?
It's social studies because I have to take a lot of notes.
My favorite subject is math because I like solving problems. The most difficult subject for me is history. I'm very bad at memorizing dates and names.
I pretty much feel the same way.
What are some of your favorite places to go here?
I like going to the mall, the park, and the Grand Plaza Market on Saturdays.
Is there a movie theater here?
The mall has its own movie theater and is a short walk from our school. It has all of the newly released movies.
That's awesome.
I'm going there this Saturday with some friends. You can join us if you like.
Great! I can't wait.
Excuse me, is this the right place for the meeting about the Spain trip?
Yes, you're in the right place. It seems we've arrived too early. Are you thinking of studying abroad in Spain next semester?
I am. I have been wanting to go on this trip since my freshman year.
Me too. I'm very excited to hear all the details. I'm Martin, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Martin. I'm Jasmine.
Do you speak Spanish?
I don't, but I'm hoping I'll learn during this trip. I've always wanted to become fluent in a second language, so I think this opportunity will be perfect for me. How about you? Do you speak Spanish?
I speak a little bit, but I want to improve. I actually speak French pretty well, so I'm hoping that will help.
Are you from France?
I was born in the States, but my parents are from Belgium.
How cool!
How about you? Where are you from?
I was born in Chicago, but I grew up in Michigan. Then I decided to move to Tennessee for college. How did you end up here at the University of Tennessee?
Well, my parents moved from Belgium to Tennessee for my dad's job before I was born. Once they had me, they decided to stay in Tennessee and raise me here. So I've been in Tennessee all of my life.
Is your family nearby?
They all live about 2 hours from here.
Do you have siblings?
No, I'm an only child. What about you?
I have an older sister who goes to college in New York. I don't get to see her very often, but we both try to get back to Michigan for the holidays.
That's good. What is your major?
I'm studying international business, hence the trip to Spain. I think it will be cool to learn about how other cultures conduct business and to learn a language.
For sure. That will be very useful.
What are you majoring in?
I'm studying architecture. I want to get to Spain and get inspired by the amazing buildings and historical designs.
I bet they are beautiful.
I'm sure I'll take millions of photos.
Me too.
Would you be interested in getting a coffee after the meeting to talk about the trip?
I would love that. We will discuss all the details after the meeting.
Great. Looking forward to it.
Me too. Hello. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Hi, thank you. I'm Stacy.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Amanda.
Nice to meet you as well. It's been a crazy few days of moving and unpacking. We haven't had a chance to introduce ourselves to anyone in the neighborhood yet.
No worries at all. I could see you had your hands full trying to get settled. I wanted to wait a few days before stopping over to say hello.
Thanks. Have you lived here for a while?
We have. We actually built our house about 15 years ago, and we've been here ever since.
That's quite a while.
That's right. Where did you guys move from?
We used to live in Atlanta. My boss asked me if I'd be willing to transfer to California. And I thought it would be great to move out here.
It is fantastic. The weather is great. The people are nice. It's a great place to be.
That's what I heard.
So what do you do?
I'm in IT. I work for a large computer company that develops software for lawyers and courthouses.
That sounds interesting.
It is. I really enjoy it. What about you? What do you do?
I'm a nurse at the local hospital, and my husband is a teacher at the high school.
Nice. My husband worked as a realtor in Atlanta, and he hopes to continue to do that here.
I'm sure he will have no problem getting a job selling houses out here. The market is incredible right now.
That's what we're hoping. Do you have any kids?
We have 3 boys. Aiden is 14, Ryan is 12, and Ian is 10.
That's awesome. We have 2 boys. Leo is 13 and Zach is 11.
Do they like to play basketball?
They love basketball.
That is great. We have a park with a nice basketball court at the end of the street where my boys play all the time. I'm sure they'd love to take your boys there.
That would be so nice. They've been dying to make some new friends and burn up some energy.
Would you and your family like to come over for a cookout tonight? Nothing fancy, just some hot dogs and burgers. We could introduce our boys to each other and introduce our husbands as well. What do you think?
Thank you so much. We would love that.
It will be a fun evening for all of us.